there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Countdown Sale section. The Countdown Sale section is a powerful tool designed to boost conversions by creating urgency. It displays a real-time countdown for limited-time offers, flash sales, or special promotions. Showing customers that time is running out helps increase faster purchasing decisions and reduce cart abandonment. All right, let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Countdown Sale section, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Template, then select Countdown Sale section. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Template. Countdown Sale. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add section. Just click on Add Section and search Countdown, and you can see Countdown Sale. Click and add that. Here, you can customize all the settings. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, custom. Create your own palette for full control. Top padding. Adjust space above block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Allows you to manually set your preferred padding value. Custom top padding. Set exact top spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Bottom padding. Adjust the space below the block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Lets you set a custom padding value manually. Custom bottom padding. Set exact bottom spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. You can freely add blocks like Advanced double button, Caption, Description, Double button, Icon, Image, Single button, Subtitle, Title, and more. Here we have countdown settings. Let's check it out. Fix time. This option allows you to set a specific end time for the countdown. However, if infinite minutes is enabled, the countdown will automatically restart when it expires, and the fixed time setting will be ignored. Infinite minutes. Adding any number of minutes here will make the countdown repeat infinitely. The timer will restart each time it reaches 0, and all fixed time values above will be ignored. Use this for ongoing promotions or evergreen urgency. Days. Customize the heading text that appears above the days value. Example, days. Minutes. Customize the heading text that appears above the minutes value. Example, minutes. Hours. Customize the heading text that appears above the hours value. Example, hours. Seconds. Customize the heading text that appears above the seconds value. Example, seconds. Expired message. This message will appear once the countdown reaches 0. Example, offer has expired. Hide on expired. Toggle this option to automatically hide the entire countdown section once the timer runs out. Helpful for clean store presentation after promotions end. And that's it. Your countdown sales section is now fully set up. By customizing it to fit your brand and sales strategy, you'll create urgency, boost conversions, and keep your store engaging and dynamic. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.